Hello, my name is Hunter Miller, and this is my Project 3, and I'm going to run it real quick. And here's my project. You will see three buttons. Day and night changes the background from blue to black. Car color changes the car color from orange to red. And in my movement, I wanted to do move right, but I wasn't successful, so if anyone in the comments can help me out with that, I'd appreciate it. So when I click on button day and night, I have my MU panel dot change object time and my MU panel repaint. And this is for the sky. I have my bluing, which is daytime, which brings down to my if statement. And that's if daytime, set color blue, and my other integers are over, down, and size. So if daytime, set color blue, fill rectangle, over, down, size. Else, which would be false, set color black, and fill rect, over, down, size. And bring down to here, public void, change time, day is true is equal to daytime false. So by this, if it's true, make the background color blue. If it's false, make the background color black. And in my MU panel, I declared my sky, private sky day. I instantiated my object day by making a new sky, which is true by making the background blue, and my location of the rectangle. And in my graphics, I call my objects here. I have my sky, set color blue, fill in the rectangle, and my grass, color green, and fill in the rectangle. To make this successful, in my paint, I put public void change object time, day dot change time, and from this allows the button to be clicked, such as in my MU frame, MU panel dot change object time. From here, I inserted the code day dot change time in my public void. And from this, if I run my file, this allows the button to work to day and night, such as blue and black. Now if I would go to change something, change my day new sky to false. And this changes the background to start out at nighttime except for daytime. And when I click the button, it changes back to blue. Change it back. My other button is car color. This is the exact same thing as the sky, but the car color is mupanel.changeObjectColor, mupanel.repaint. I inserted these two codes in the private void, change color action performed, change car color action performed. And in my car, I have my boolean, which is car color, integers, over, size, anchor X, anchor Y, and horizontal. I chose this car from my project 1 when we did the drawing project with a car and city is what I chose, so I redid my car. Here's the code where I drew the car in public void draw. I have my set colors, white, gray, black. I have my fill color with my anchors. And then with my bluing on car color, I have an if statement. If car color is true, set color orange and fill the rectangle with these numbers. Else, if it's false, set color red, which I have with these numbers. And same with the sky, public void, change color. If car color is true, it's equal to if car color is false, which would be orange to red. And in my mupanel, I declared the car 1, private car 1, instantiated my object, 1 equals new car, and I have it true, so it was set as orange. And here are my locations. I have my over, size, anchor X, anchor Y, and horizontal. All of these are those integers. From here, I drew my car in the call method, 1.drawG. And to change the color from the button, from button car color, source, mupanel.changeObjectColor, I brought it over here to my mupanel. Under public void change car color, I put 1.changeCarColor. And this allows the car color to change colors from orange to red by the click of the button. Now, if I would change something, if I would change the car color from true to false, the car color will start out as red. Start out as red, but when I click the button, it will change back to red. To orange. Red to orange. True to false. Change that back. And lastly, my third button is the move right. And when I click on it, I have my public void move right button, mupanel.moveObjectRight, mupanel.repaint. But I was not successful with this. In my car, I have all the same things, my private integers, my boolean, car color. But when I do public void move right, I did over plus equal horizontal. And in my mupanel, I have public void move object right, 1.move right, back to my car. I have my horizontal integer, over plus horizontal. In my MU panel, I have my integer, horizontal integer here. But when I go to run my file, it's not successful. So if anybody would be able to help me out with that, I would very appreciate it. But from that, I was able to go from day to night successfully by the click of a button and change car color.